Don't forget to hit the like button, hit that bell, and subscribe to Street Value Urban. This is what the streets want.
Welcome to the DJ Creator Playbook Fast Start Edition. This isn't about going viral or impressing other DJs. It's about showing up, staying consistent, and building visibility that gets you booked. Whether you're live streaming from your bedroom or rocking a small gig, this guide is your launch pad. We'll cover gear setups, live streaming, engagement strategies, and how to bring energy that connects. Let's get into it. Your gear doesn't define you, but the right tools make life easier. Here's a quick guide to 3 levels of DJ setups. Basic setups. Controllers like Numark Mixtrack Pro FX or DDJ SB3. Budget mics and simple audio interfaces. Mid-level setups. Rev 5 controller, Universal Audio, Volt 2 or Focusrite Solo, and solid podcast mics. Advanced setups. Premium controllers like Rev 7 or Technic 1200s, Pro audio mixers, and Shure SM7B mics. Start small, then upgrade as you grow. Before you go live, set the scene. Choose a clean, controlled environment with a tripod, ring light, and uncluttered setup. Pick a purposeful background like a banner, an LED wall, or a simple tidy corner. Prioritize visuals and sound. Use good quality lighting, vertical framing, and external mics. Pro tip: great audio keeps viewers locked in longer than flashy effects. Your vibe is your signature, and authenticity always wins. Focus on vibing with real people. When live streaming, your presence matters more than having the latest DJ controller. Most viewers either don't care or know about any of that. They came for the presentation. So, don't worry about what other DJs say. This is your platform and your time to shine, not theirs. Figure out what works for you and build from there. If you want growth, engagement is key. Encourage viewers to like, comment, share, follow, and when it applies, remind them a gift here and there would be greatly appreciated. Use SEO-rich keywords people search for during your live stream. Always initiate a clear call to action. Tell your audience what to do. Acknowledge visitors upon entering the room by announcing their username. Remember, this is a party, and people love when the DJs give shoutouts. Reply to their comments in the chat, and above all else, thank everyone for their support. Are you ready to go live? Run through this checklist. 1. Connect your setup: controller, laptop, headphones, microphones, audio routing, and monitor. 2. Prep your tech: lighting, phone, tripod, and a stable internet connection. 3. Final sound check. Connect audio routing to phone. Check your levels on all your sound equipment to make sure you avoid distortion. Hit the live button on the screen. And in 3, 2, 1, you've just become a live DJ creator. You didn't need expensive gear. You're not concerned with going viral. It's all about consistency, presence, and purpose. If you show up like it matters, your community will too. This playbook is your launchpad, a daily reminder that real DJs bring energy, community, and vibes that no algorithm can replicate. Whether you're live streaming from your bedroom or rocking a gig with 150 people, keep it fresh, keep it intentional, keep it you. Thanks for tapping in. This is Seven the God for Street Value Urban. Until next time, this is what the streets want.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit that bell to be notified to tap in with us next time at Street Value Urban. This is what the streets want.